Worried about someone sneaking into your Amazon account and wreaking havoc? Let's make sure that doesn't happen by changing your password right now. First things first, open up your web browser and go to Amazon.com. You can also do this on the Amazon app on your phone or tablet. Once you're logged into your account, look for the Accounts and Lists menu, usually found in the top right corner of your screen. Click on Accounts and Lists. This will open up a lot of options from this menu. Find and select the option labeled Login and Security. On the Login and Security page, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Again, type it into the box and click Verify. This is to confirm that it's really you making the change. Next, you'll be presented with the Login and Security settings. Look for the password selection. Click the Edit button. You'll then be asked to enter your current password, and then to create a new one, make sure it's strong. Consider using a phrase or including uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols, and do not use your personal or basic information. Once you've entered your new password, re-enter it to confirm, then hit Save Changes. That's it. Your password for Amazon has officially been changed. It's a great and easy way to protect your most important information. Remember to change your passwords on all of your online accounts regularly to maintain strong online security and keep it safe out there. Like and subscribe for more Amazon tips.